So, yung job
Come,
title po for this role is loan specialist. Yan. Anong middle name mo,
come,
Jericho?
bro.
Remulla.
Bro,
As in John Vic Remulla.
come, bro.
Ayan. Remulla. Rebulyo.
Okay, let's go.
Rebullo.
Oh,
Rebulyo.
bro. I was lagging, mom. Bruh.
Okay, sige. So,
Are
yung
you serious?
target hiring date natin, well, bigyan naman kita ng employment requirements.
Wait me there. Wait me there.
Target hiring date natin, September 16 kung kaya. Okay, kung kaya. Kasi 1 and 16 lang yung start date natin. Kung ang target mo ay September 16, kailangan complete requirements ka na on or before September 10. Wait lang, check
Yeah.
Thursday. Yun na yung pinaka
Okay, go.
day
Go.
na kailangan complete requirements ka na. Well, yung mga 2316 naman, tsaka yung mga ibang ano, may naging employer ka ba? May naging employer this year?
Come, bro. Are we serious?
Freelance
Where's
ka na
bro
ba?
at? Where is that?
Freelance ka ba?
No. It's this. Yeah.
Okay. So, January hanggang kailan yun? Hanggang...
Yeah. Sorry. I didn't actually know, bro.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, iniisip ko kung mag-ano ko.
What's the sheep?
Anuhin mo na lang. Hingin mo na lang siguro. Kapag hingin ka na 2316 ng onboarding team. Hingin ka na lang siguro ng ano. Yung...
He always die with it, bro. Like, are we serious, bro?
Hindi. Okay lang din yun kung ano. Affidavit na lang. Affidavit. So kung hindi ka makahingin ng 2316 kasi 15 days lang naman ang pinasok ko dun eh. Diba? So, affidavit lang
Okay.
na wala ka nag-i-employ ng January. Beginning of February. Parang ganun.
Let's go.
Or kung makahingi ka naman,
Yo.
ng 2026 na 2316. Better. Kasi may pinasok
Whoa,
pa ng January 16. Pero I
man.
guess, ano na lang yan. Hingan mo na lang.
What are you doing, man?
Kasi baka wala din ibigay sa'yo.
Where is the animal at? Where you at?
Diba? Parang naibigay mo yun last year. Diba? Yung 2025. So,
Yeah. I'm bad at PvP, bruh. Yeah. I need to buy sheep.
Hingin mo na sa onboarding yun. Tapos papalitan mo siya. I-attach kasi yun. Tapos sinasabit yun ng team namin sa BIR.
I spotted.
And then, yan. Yung company name po natin.
After searching for a long time, I spotted 2 sheep. Yes. Gimme. Gimme, bro. Actually, gimme, bro. And more. And more. Gimme all the sheep, bro. Give me a toast. Wait, I should make a sheep farm real quick. I should make a sheep farm, bro. I need some food real quick. Yo, editor. Give me some food, please. Bruh. Are we
So, hindi po yan 6
serious,
months.
bro?
No?
Wait,
6
I could
months na
make it right
tatakbuhin
now, bro.
kasi yun yung probate period. Okay? Pero,
Okay.
just in case na ikaw ay makapasa sa 3rd and 5th month, sa 5th month pa lang, malalaman mo na regular ka. No? On your 6 months and day 1. Pero,
And I need
wood.
wood.
Has the right to terminate
Need
early
wood,
just
bro.
in case na non-performing talaga na antibiotic.
Wait, no.
Okay? So, pero siyempre, hope natin generate natin na ano, dito, na mga client. Okay? May question dito? Okay, so ito na po yung offer namin. So, yung basic salary, ibibigay namin sa'yo, 20,000. So, you can calculate with me na kung meron kang cellphone.
Bro,
So, if you multiply it by 12 months, that's 240,000.
I am
So, meron pa
very
tayong
angry, bro. I
guaranteed
need
bonuses
sticks
up to 14
to
months.
crap. Yes.
So, when you say guaranteed,
I have
ibibigay
4
mo yan
more
regardless kung regular
gliders.
ka. 13 months, on day 25.
Yes,
14
yes,
months,
Mark.
additional benefit.
Yes, Mom.
Okay?
Oh,
Pero syempre, dahil hindi mo nabuo yung taon,
I'm going to build a sheep
kasi
farm,
ganun
bro.
naman talaga sa 13 month pay.
Bro, wait.
Kung magkano yung 13 month pay mo,
Let me
kung
cook.
13 month.
Let me cook.
Okay? So, prorated
Wait,
na
what?
yun.
Give me.
Kasi
Give
September,
me. Bro.
more than a year na ang
Give
wala.
me it.
Oh, wala, wala.
Give me, dude.
Ano lang, ang ginagawa
You're so
naman,
greedy.
yung 14 month pay, hinahati na natin
Yes.
sa 12 months. So bakit? Kasi
Finally, you're
nire-receive
not
na natin
greedy.
siya monthly. Oo.
Take that greedy.
So meron ka matatanggap
Okay,
na
let's stop.
1,666.66 monthly. So yung gross mo, 21,666.66. Kasi
I am
14
glitched right
months,
now.
computation, ibibigay na sa'yo. Staggered na, staggered payment. Tapos yung 13 months,
You guys are getting. You guys are gonna die, man. If you're not gonna give me, then you will accept
and then,
that.
ito, no? Kung, let's just say, nabuo yung taon, guaranteed gross annual total cash compensation ay nasa 280,000 pesos. Okay? Plus, we have monthly incentive. So, ito naman si Sir Ken.
I spotted
Ano,
6
incentives.
sheep.
So, dito,
Dude.
ito yung combination ng
So
value
useless.
accounts tsaka yung quality ng accounts ng mga accounts.
Okay.
Okay, kaya talagang, though,
We are
kailangan
locked in, bruh.
kailangan din
We are
ipapasok
so
yung accounts
locked
mo.
in.
Sabi nga, no, marami kang pwedeng pasok ng kliyente.
You're dead,
Pero
bro.
nandun yung living quality. Siguradong babalik-balik. Nagbabayad. Oo, kasi ganun talaga.
Thanks.
Oo, yun yung isa sa
Your
mission.
turn.
Meron na rin tayo remedial eh.
But
Thanks.
Thanks.
Specialist.
wait,
So, siya
thanks.
yung buong
Thanks.
kasi siyempre, mararamdaman mo yan.
Is
kapag,
bro naked?
1 year, 2 years sila sa business.
Okay, give me all you got.
Yun yung
Thanks.
trabaho mo.
Okay, let's go back to base. No. I need to get this. Whoop.
Okay, now, meron tayong monthly incentive no, na ito yung 100, once you hit the 100% target, yun yung KPI mo, na hit mo yung 100%. Ito yung ibibigay sa'yo. So, it will be paid yan after a month, subject to meeting set targets and criteria. So, halimbawa, kapag
I'm bored.
this month,
I'm bored.
August, makukuha mo siya September.
I'm bored.
Yan. Kung tapos ito, pwede mo mabayaran kung hindi mo ma-achieve yung target. Pwede rin
What
tumaas
is
yan. Bali, dalawa
that,
yung bonus mo eh.
bro?
Meron tayong
What
bonus tuloy.
is
Incentive.
that?
Merong branch incentive
What
kung nakahit
is
ng
that,
target. So, kahit hindi ka nakahit that month, halimbawa nakahit ng branch ka, may nakukuha pa din kayo. So, hindi lang yung nakalagay dito kasi parang additional na yung binibigay sa So, sa
We
personal
got the
target,
brown
dito yun.
glide chat. Now
Pwede
we
siyang bumaba
got
kung hindi mo nakuha yung set target.
the gray.
Okay? Pero
Got the
pwede siyang
gray.
tumaas. Hindi yan maximum.
Let's get the white
Hindi
one
nakakakuha
chat.
more than 30,000.
Oh yes sir, dude. Yes sir, man.
So, syempre, ayokong
Yes, sir,
ano muna,
bro.
magbitaw.
Are we
Kasi,
serious? Yes.
well, sila kasi competent. Pero yung last conversation ko with the payroll team, may malalaki talaga na ulit. Lalo na last year. Last year, hindi ko nakakuha ng more than
Do you have any wool? Thank you very much,
isang buwan lang.
sir.
Diba? Para sweldo niya yun, eh.
Ow, 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 ow.
Oo. Not
Oh,
only the revenue.
ay, pwede
Not
po
only the
relate.
amount, no? Kasi pwede kong hit ng amount. Nag-reload ng client, eh. Okay. Half of the
Oh, this is
performance
not the
pa lang
base.
yun. Kasi
I forgot.
meron ka pang performance sa new accounts sa API. So, kailangan may pasok ka talaga.
Go.
Okay, though, kailangan talaga natin yung hit natin ng target. Kaya, kasi, siyempre, kung regular client yan, yung iba dyan, pagka-renew, parang bayad interest lang.
What
May
does
ganun
the
tayo,
boss
diba?
want
Yung
to
interest lang
eat?
binabayad.
Wheat.
Tapos, ng loan, plus interest lang.
Get it?
Though, may kita na
Wheat.
tayo din,
Eat.
ano, hindi pa
Yeah,
makita
you
yung
don't
gusto
get
yung
it.
kita kasi nasa labas pa yung pera. Yung kumbaga, ang binabayaran ng
This is too ugly.
Okay, so estimated gross total compensation kung consistent na ito yung na-receive. Ito yun, nasa 37,000. Okay, so again, that's
Oh, that's so cool, bro.
Hindi naman sa safe, you will be properly compensated talaga, no? Tiba-tiba ka, kapag ka talaga tumatagin ka. Diba?
Good time.
So, kung monthly meron ka 17,000, sa 12 months,
Bro.
4,000. So, imagine.
After going up the base, I spotted some
additional annual.
side of my eye.
So, again, pwede itong tumaas, pwede itong baba. Okay? Depending on the target. So, ang target ko dyan, syempre, plano mo. Yung mga account. Pag tumarget ka na this month, ulagay mo na next month.
What did I just saw?
Meron ka target. Diba? Yung loan release. Yeah. Sige. Any questions so far?
Sure.
By the way, wala tayong allowance. Yung motor, huwag mong gagamitin yung sarili mong motor. No? Yun ang pinaka-ano ko. So, though meron tayong mileage na pwede mo naman yun na i-reimburse, lugi ka kasi hindi naman sasagot yung maintenance. Ayun, may petty cash naman tayo doon eh. Or kung walang petty cash, ikaw muna, tapos gagawa ka ng report, kunyari, 20 kilometers total. Tapos motorcycle ang ginamit.
Is bro hacking?
Masahe ka, for example.
How is bro walking on top?
I-dedicate mo lang yung papapirmahan mo.
What?
Yung mga may resibo,
How long? Oh, the glider.
Tapos, ipapasa mo sa admin, i-request sa finance,
And I'm going to turn.
Mga official business. Ano yung sagot ng company yun? Though meron na tayong sakyan na ipoprovide. Motorcycle for the appraiser. Tsaka
Bro,
yung
I can
Innova.
grab the wheel.
Priority siyempre sa manager. Yung sasakyan. So, pwede ka makihain. Just in case may pupuntahan. Sir, pwede ka na
Wait, I need the glider. Actually,
hindi. Yung motor kasi sa CI, isang motor lang.
I want the gray. Let's go. Let's go. Where's the base?
Depende nga eh. Depende nga. Sa mapapag-usapan nyo. Kasi kung iasin ka sa malayo, lang din ang tanong. Pero kung hindi, pwede mo na
Yeah, no. No. I'm sorry, you have a brain. No. I'm sorry, dude. Let's go!
Pero kung convenience lang ang gusto mo, yun lang, gasolina naman.
I'm gonna make a funk.
Hindi doon sa gusto mong,
This is for the gliders. This is so far. Error. Speed is up. No, never mind. We are already up here. Yo. Ooh, I almost died when I... No. Dude, I'm going there.
So yun, tignan natin.
Dude.
Anong mangyayari doon. Tanong mo na lang din sa
Ooh.
kanya. Alam
Let's
ko,
go.
wala pa kasi establish pa rin natin yung branch natin. Kaya ano ba yung branch doon? Hindi pa ako nakapunta.
We got 3.
So hindi pa tapos. Kailangan susunod na dyan yung...
There's no water. Are we serious? But there's water there. Yo! Look at these, dude. Okay, let me go. Wait, what? I will go here.
So, nauna lang talaga sila Gatsby. Nauna lang talaga siya. So yun, so for now, up to you, no? Pero sa akin, ito ako mag-gagawin this. Tama. Every 15.
Okay, let's go.
So kung papasok ka ng 16, ang sweldo mo, October.
Oh, yes. Let me climb this.
Yeah. Kung ang pasok mo October 1, ang sweldo mo, October 15. 1 ka, October 1, October 15 din. Kung September 6.
Finally, man. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
So, mag-ano ka? Mamaya, discuss ko yan. So, parang meron sa yung isasend na link.
Okay.
Para i-download mo sa phone mo yung UV app. Tapos, yung link tayo nakakonekta sa payroll.
Yo.
So, yung account natin
Back. Yo.
Account creation mo muna. Basta si onboard yung tuturo sa'yo. Pero naman kayo.
This is the
Tapos, kailangan
snow
ipalawan
world,
ng pay ka
man.
na dito. Kasi yung 1,000 ng sweldo mo from the deposit natin sa
Okay. Let me get the
10,000
tool.
may 10,000 sa palawan pay. 10,000 papasok ng UV. Okay, any question pa so far? Tapos yearly, basta maganda performance mo. Regular ka na bago mag-June 30, katapusan ng automatic yan. Hindi lang yung salary increase basta maganda performance mo. With the amount kung magkano yun, wala akong visibility. Pero so far,
3,
ako naman, yearly, meron ako increases. Hindi pa pumalya.
2, 3,
Masaya naman po ako sa
6. Oh, shit.
Okay. And then, ito naman po yung summary of benefits. So, nakikita mo pa screen doon.
624.
Oo. Dapat yung HMO, no? Yung medical insurance mo na
Now let me
coverage
go
niya
down
up
real
to
quick.
190 this per year.
It's a whole new world. It's a whole new place. Where am I going? Where am I going? Yeah. Hello. 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 Hi. Okay, where's the sheep? Give me the sheep. Yo, sheeps. You want this? You want this, bro? You guys want this? Come here, come here. This is so tasty, bro. Bro. This is so good, bro. This is so good, bro. Like, what? Okay. And I'm gonna stop. Let's go, slowpoke. Here. Wait,
Pero
let me
syempre yung
build the
credit
fence
ng part na
real
lang kayo
quick.
pwedeng process yun. Ikaw
Okay,
naman po ang mag-short
where do I
ito
put
po
so
magbabayad. No? So wala po tayong
1, 2,
accredited
3,
hospitals, no? Or clinics, kahit saan pwede. Basta dito na lang sa mga credible hospital or clinics or laboratory, high precision. Okay?
That's gonna be enough.
Tapos itong leave credits natin, so per
But
sa VL, bibigyan ka namin ng 1.25
what
per month,
about
no? Sa VL. So, kung September ka mag-start, sabihin na October na lang. October, November, December. So, 3 months.
Huh?
So, 1.25 times 3. So, meron kang 3.75 for 4 days na VL. Sabihin na natin 4 days.
Let me get that.
Tapos sa SL,
Let me get up.
times 3. So, parang meron kang 2 days pa na SL. 4 days VL, 2 days SL. Okay? Pero ibibigay
Come
niyo
here.
na, pwede mo
Here,
na siya
bro.
gamitin yung 2 days na SL, yung 4 days na BL, upon hiring. Pwede na. Ano ba, kasakit ka talaga. No? After
Hey,
a week,
come here, come here,
wala
come
na.
here.
Kasakit ka.
Come here, come here, come here,
Pwede mo
come
na
here.
sabihin na may SL ka na 2 days.
Oh, you guys are
Tapos,
so
halimbawa
dumb.
lang, importante ka na
You guys
lakad
are so
after
dumb,
a
bro.
month. Or,
You guys are so
pwede
dumb.
Sa December, kahanong vacation. Pwede na rin po. No? Sa
Okay, and
Kasi
close.
naman,
What's up, losers?
now, ang convertible
Bye
cash
bye,
mo
losers.
is VL. So, kunyari 4 days na ginagamit.
I'm sorry.
Patapos na ang December. Na ano po yan,
You get out.
convert yan, maximum 5 days po ang pwede i-convert.
Hmm.
Pwede siyang mag-over next year. So, pag carry over next year yung maximum 5 days, pwede po siya ipa-convert to cash.
You know what? Your bread is yours.
Okay, sa SL wala.
Yes,
Pwede
please.
tsaka walang carry over. Okay? Question? Any question? Okay. And then, meron din tayong life insurance. Ito naman, upon regularization. Yung medical insurance natin